How do you choose the right horizontal roller blind for your roof lantern? I'm Chris Gargett and I'm your WindowTreat specialist. Whether your aim is to manage light levels, control summer heat or provide privacy from neighbours, your roof lantern blind fabric will need to defy gravity. To avoid undesirable ripples and sagging in the blind cloth, we need to engineer more tension into the fabric the larger the blinds and your roof lanterns become. Zipped into side channels, your specialised fabric is kept taut by a somfy motor in the cloth tube and spring boxes at the other end that apply tension to the fabric. There are limitations on the size of the blinds if the desired cloth finish is to be maintained. Your bespoke blind, up to 2.4 metres long, can use a somfy motor that is battery powered that effortlessly charges up using a solar panel. Up to 2 metres wide, there are no visible cords across the lantern opening as they are hidden within the side channels. This blind can be increased to 2.5 metres wide and still maintain that desired finish. The compromise, however, is a third spring box using a discreet but visible white nylon cord across the centre of the opening, which applies more tension. With a fuse spare in place, a mains powered blind is a great option. Our standard system has the increased length of 3 metres, whilst maintaining the desired cloth finish. As previous with the battery version, as the width increases beyond 2 metres to 2.5 metres, a third spring box and cord is required, as well as the two hidden in the side channels. Beyond this, to a maximum of 3 metres wide, a third and fourth set of spring boxes and cords are required to give extra tension to maintain that desired finish. Upgrading to our high performance roof blind will allow you to obtain a 3 metre wide blind without any visible cords. This high performance blind has a heavy duty hem bar to prevent sag, a stronger somfy motor and specially designed spring boxes that provide 3 times more tension than the standard system. This blind has a maximum length of 3.7 metres. With the 2 tension wires running within the side channels, you get a truly cordless opening. Our pull together roof blind has twin blinds that draw towards each other. With both somfy motors in the cloth tubes and standard tension spring boxes at each end of your opening, the blinds will pull together simultaneously or independently. Up to 2 metres wide, the white nylon cords are discreetly positioned at the edges of the blind. The system can be used for lantern openings up to 5 metres. The fabric tensioning roof blind provides the ultimate in cloth finish. This is a double motor system using a special somfy motor at both ends of the blind. The motors talk to each other through a control box as the blind is travelling to constantly manage the moving and finishing tension of the fabric. This is an engineering solution for larger roof lanterns where the 2 visible steel cables can be embraced in order to easily shade areas 4 metres wide by 6 metres long with that flat, tight finish. If the opening of your lantern is less than 2.5 metres wide, then the 2 1.5mm steel cables can be positioned towards the edges, providing a more discreet look. If your lantern opening is wider than 2.5 metres, then the 2 steel cables will be equally spaced across the hem bar to ensure the desired cloth finish. The fabric tensioning system requires special electrics with some complexity, so please contact us directly for further information. All these blinds come with a programmable remote handset as standard, but they can also be automated to open and close using timers, heat and light sensors or voice activation. Contact me at WindowTreat and we'll take a deeper dive into your roof lantern blind requirements.